Hello, I'm Anthony Trickshot Taylor. If you're new here, please do subscribe. Please leave us a like and a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you. Today we're going to learn this, which is an Indonesian style nunchuk move called cutting. And we're also going to learn a syncopated wrist roll variant, which also looks like this. So, I'm going to break them both down so you'll be able to do it hopefully by the end of this video. If not, leave a comment in the comment section. I'll make sure to get back to you and give you the best advice that I possibly can, or even redo this. So, what you're going to do is you're going to use your right hand and you're going to slash diagonally down to your left hip, okay, like so. From there, what you're going to do is, if you notice what I'm doing, my palm is facing my body. Yeah, on the moment that you throw this around, when you feel it, on this top part of your arm, I want you to turn your hand out. That will cause it to hop into the air. I'm going to say now when you need to concentrate on that hop, because that's where you need to grab, okay? Now, yeah, there is a momentary lapse when it hovers in the air temporarily. You need to have that window and catch it with your right hand. So you go like this, okay? So now you should have this part down. Next of all, you're going to need to switch directions. So you go, the moment you're going down, you're going to need to turn the direction so the wrist roll is happening up. Okay, so that transition, what you're doing is you're holding it here and you're pointing your hand up. From there, you're going to go back round the opposite way. Okay, and much the same as before, there's a momentary lapse, so I'll show you again. Whoosh. Now. Yeah, that momentarily lapse, yeah, right there is when you're going to grab it, okay, with the other hand, okay? So watch. Whoosh. Whoosh. From there, now what you're going to do is you're basically just going to do 1, 2, 3, which is your standard figure 8, and you should know it, and you're going to do a bicep clutch. Second of all, the Chinese Ling Yin style, so if you notice, what's going on, alright, my hand is facing the wall. By the end of it, my hand will be facing up. So basically, the motion my hand is doing is going like this. Okay, so watch, whoosh. Yeah, so I'm going here and up. From there, I'm grabbing it. Okay, so it's just a really simple motion to switch the direction of the nunchuck. So do you see? So I go here and up. Yeah, so you start off here. On the moment you're going like that, you're going to bring your hand here and up, like so. So you go whoosh, whoosh. Okay, the moment you bring it up, you should be able to get your catch it here in this L pattern here, and basically grab it here. So you go whoosh, whoosh. From there, you can go into bounce, redirect. You know, you can go into an aerial. There's lots you can do on from there. So I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you again soon.